Automating your Google slide deck and presentation can make you save a lot of time and streamline your process in so many cases. In this tutorial, we will craft an N8N workflow that combines Google Slide to Google Sheet and automatically generates a custom presentation. The N8 Ninja is on a mission to liberate 1,000 souls from bullshit tasks, freeing up your time and energy so you can focus on what truly matters and bring value to the world. Nothing will stop her.
Losing time by repeating the same task over and over again is not especially what I enjoy doing the most. So let's create an N8N workflow that automates the creation of a custom presentation deck. Our workflow will combine Google Slide for the template with Google Sheet for the data. Let's begin by creating our template in Google Slide. We clean our frame so we can implement the design as we want, with our background. To keep things simple, we will go with one single slide. But it would work the same with a full presentation. Let's add our logo and other branding elements. We will create a template to present legendary ninjas, my childhood idols, with their name in the first place, and a short biography that I represent with lorem ipsum. We can improve this a little with a slightly transparent background for readability. And now let's templatize this. We replace the name by name surrounded by bracket. We could choose any template conventions, but brackets are nice. And we do the same for the bio background, that we name background. And here we are, our template is ready. Now it is time to set up our database. For this, we can start with an empty Google Sheet. We rename it Legendary Ninjas. We can also rename the sheet itself, for example, list. To structure our data, we will use two columns. The first one will be name, and the second one background so it matches our template. Let's fill with a few names. Hattori Hanzo, Fuma Kotaro, Ishikawa Goemon, and we add for each of them a short biography. That's it for our database. It is now time to get our hands dirty and craft our workflow. First, we add the Google Sheet node that will retrieve our list of ninjas from our database. Second, we add the Google Drive node to duplicate our template to a new file. And finally, we add node, where we will perform the magic of replacing the texts. Let's look closer at how it works. First, we can open our Sheet node. Here we see that we have chosen the file we have created and that we want to use our database. Let's run it to see how it works. After a short loading, we see that we receive 3 items in our workflow. This Drive node is here to duplicate our template to a new file. To choose its name, we simply drag and drop the name we received from our previous node. Let's run this node to see if it works. It should create 3 new files in our export folder. Indeed, here our 3 new templates have been created. Great, we are making progress. But we are not done yet. Let's see. Our placeholders have not been replaced with our data yet. This is why we need the last Google Slide node. Let's set it up. For the file ID, drag and drop the ID received from the previous node. Then add the first text you want to replace. Write your variable name. Don't forget the brackets. For the value, switch to the previous node, the one with the ninjas list, and drag and drop the name into the Replace Text node. Repeat the operation for the background. It is now time to run our workflow and see if all goes as expected. So let's press that big orange button and wait a few seconds, just enough time to focus on one, or maybe to deep breathing. And tada! Our legendary ninjas have been properly created. Nice to meet you, Hattori-sensei. Ishika Goemon and Fuma with their little background properly displayed. That's it for this workflow. In the next video, we will see how we could also change the background and other images dynamically in our presentation.
Thank you for watching. I hope that the N8 Ninja could be helpful to you. If you want to support her work, thumb up and share this video. If you have any questions or workflow requests, drop a comment. And if you want to stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Let's keep building and see you around, dear crafters.